Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me and my Hobonichi cousin this time, and today we will be using the kit called Chic Academia, and this one is for the Hobonichi cousin hourly format. And as you can see, my video setup is a little bit different. I got this little rug thing from IKEA. It was my first time in IKEA and it was the most amazing thing I've ever done so far in terms of shopping. So without further ado, let's get into planning. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and show you the kit first. Our kits for Hobonichi cousin comes into format the hourly and the vertical. So this is the hourly. I'll show you this first, and I'll show you my spread for last week if you want to see the vertical as well. So our hourly pages hourly kits come in 2 pages. And this is the first page. So you have your date cover-ups, your sidebar stickers, and these are for your hourly headers. And then the second page has the bottom bars. This bit is for that square, and then you have a ton of deco, script stickers, and a weekend script sticker as well. So together with this kit, I will be using what is left from my Chic Academia deco sheet that was made for the Hobonichi weeks. I'm going to use this because it is a smaller format than the giant deco sheets that we used to have in the shop. So let's get started with the date cover-ups. Let me just put this away. So if you're new to the shop, this date cover-up actually goes down to number 7, and it just starts with 8, while the Hobonichi hourly stamps here will start with number 8. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put down the bottom bar. So I pulled it up a little bit, and the paper behind the sticker, so the Tomoe River paper, pulled up with it. So I have a little tear here. I'm going to fix that in a little bit. And so our bottom bars actually reach up to 22. So it just is under the number 21. So you have this for your hourly. So the hourly format allows you to use the hourly stamps here, so the numbers, if you'd like to plan that way. So I'm just going to do the right page and the bottom bar for that. Okay, so this is a little crooked more than this one, so I'm happy to redeem myself. And then I'm gonna go ahead and build my sidebar. So I'm going to take this decorative one here. All right, so I just covered the calendar, and then I'm going to take this box, which has the lines like a notebook. It's not grid, but we do have other stickers that are grid. There you go. I just adjusted or placed my stickers down one box away from this line because I feel like that's a bit prettier. And then I'm going to take this habit tracker because I'm feeling like I haven't been tracking things of late, and I miss tracking things. I also missed one box there because I planned for this to be a very widespread instead of no white space. There you go. By the way, I'm using my glossy cream paper, which is good for fountain pens. I want to use my fountain pen this week because I miss it also. So I'm going to go ahead and take this girl from the other page. I'm just going to put her here at the edge because I did tear that and it's not pretty. Oh, actually, let me just go ahead and put down some of these quarter boxes. There you go, and as you can see, it's very functional looking with a little bit of deco. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this little box at the second page, and I'm gonna just place it on top of this blocked out box. There you go. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a deco on there as well. All right, so this is looking pretty good, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this deco and put it over here I'm gonna be layering decos with the script sticker. I'm gonna take this bag. It doesn't look anything like the bag I have. The bag I have is super boring. And then I'm gonna take this little pencil case. And then I'm going to take, okay, let's take the books again. And then I'm going to go ahead and place my weekend script sticker just on top. So I'm gonna be covering the number 8 and just letting it go. There you go. So I have a little decorative aspect there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and play with more decos. No, I'm not gonna be using the to-do script stickers. I'm going to explain that in the next video. You will understand why, but I will be using the decos. So I'm going to put coffee over here because Coffee Mondays. And then I'm going to go ahead and put down this I am very busy little deco. I'm gonna show you. This is too cute. It says, I'm very busy. And it's like a binder type. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the shoes. Because on Wednesday, I need to go grocery shopping. Now, the malls close pretty early here. Not like back in the Philippines, where they close around 8, 9. Here, they close at 5:30. So I'm going to have to be quick. So I had to do it in the morning. But that's fine. I'm taking this little book. Is it focused? Yeah. And I'm putting it all the way down here. And then last, I'm going to take the glasses and put it on top. So I feel like there's a lot of elements over here that's really nice to see. And what I tend to do is I use these boxes for priorities of that day. So it's good to have my eyes on here first thing. This week, I'm going to be using my Hobonichi cousin for my schedule. So I'm not going to have any long list of to-dos. And then here at the bottom, I want to assess my productivity for every day. Because what I have for school is that I don't have any classes. It's just research because I'm in grad school. And because it's just research, most of the time it's really up to you on how you're going to be productive for that day. So that's what these bottom bars are for. I'm gonna go ahead and take my little pen and I'm going to write at least on one of these little headers, and I'm gonna say productivity. So I remember after I film. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of the decos and just spread it all over here. I'm going to take this little alarm clock and put it here at the bottom, and then I'm going to take this little cat. I'm gonna make her sit here. There you go. Oh, sorry. I'm going to take one of the flowers. I'm gonna put this over the weekend. I'm gonna take the next biggest flower. I'm pretty sure this isn't gonna be productive. So I really like how this looks. Let me scoot you on over. Right. So it looks like these flowers are bordering this box. And if there's anything special going on Sunday, or if I did anything good on Sunday, then that's what's gonna be put down on here. If it's just going to be relaxing time, then, or day off time, then that's where it's gonna be. I'm actually going to complete this border. There we go. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and take the last 3 little decos on here. I think I was left with the right amount of decos, and that's gonna go over here. So first I'm going to put down I am very busy binder here at the bottom. I'm going to take the scissors over here, and then this little bag almost at the middle. And it's looking very nice. I am loving everything right now. I did not think it was going to be this good. Okay, so I have one little header left, and I am going to put that on Tuesday. At around 10 o'clock. This is going to cover the entirety of the space between the lines. I won't be able to see 10 o'clock at all, but that's fine. In contrast to these little things, I'm going to go ahead and put down a few and then write on them right away so that I don't forget. So here it's already 9 o'clock and I'm going to put it here to say that I'm filming. So I'm taking this pen. By the way, this pen is Kaweco Sport. It is a fountain pen. And I'm going to write down film. Plan with me, H. Hobonichi cousin. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this at 1 o'clock because I'm going to write down. So I'm just going to go ahead and write down things as I remember them. I'm probably not going to fill this out until, like, completely until later. So I have study time. In the case that I run out of this little header things, it's completely fine. I'm going to go ahead and write down here, post video. All right. So that's how it works. I'm going to scoot you on over. So here you can see that the box is just up to the edge, just before the number. So you can see the number. In contrast to this little box thing that was made for the sidebar, it covers the entire thing. Oh, I forgot to write down there. So I'm going to have to write the number again, but that's okay. So I have a library workshop. Because I'm in my first year, I have a lot of workshops to do. And I actually been in school only for 4 weeks, almost a month. This is the 4th week I'm in school. Okay, so I have a few headers here. I know that I'm going out and then, okay, that's my task for that day. And once it's done, I can just check it off there. So I made a little box. Very versatile, this. So I'm going to put a little task here. It's trash day. So I have to put out the trash. If you have little icons, that'd be great as well. So if you noticed, because I have another Hobonichi cousin plan with me coming up for the exact same week, you will notice that I keep repeating things. And I like that. So that the more I write it down, the more I will remember from just memory, not just writing it down. And it also keeps me feel like I'm in control of things, although I'm not at all. Okay, so I have a thing on Saturday. I am going to a little something. I'm going out to the city. I'm going out to what they call, I think it's West End Market. So I'm going to write that down. If it's wrong, that's fine. And then I have one last little thing. I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to write, I think we have a barbecue. I think it's barbecue night. I think that's what I heard. I'm not really sure. All right, so this is what our page looks like. I'm going to be ending this in a little bit. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and take my little Tombow and then take my, oh my gosh, this is like rubbing off like crazy, my Marby Ushida, also a favorite pen. So I'm going to write down the numbers. See, now I've forgotten. Oh, as I mentioned, I was going to show you the vertical. The vertical didn't quite work out for me because there are so many things that I was writing down. So I'm sorry about that. It's going to be left like this forever. Yeah, but we did go to IKEA here. So I'm going to write that down. Oh, no. Here, game night. No, this is game night. And then this is IKEA. IKEA is amazing. I love it so much. So this is the vertical format, and I'm kind of leaning towards horizontal formats at the moment. If you noticed in our Christmas in July, the new kits, the Foxy Fall series and the Apple of My Eye only had hourly formats. I think we're going to stick with that for a little bit because that is what I'm leaning towards again. Maybe I'll change my mind in the future. So, oh, I forgot. Okay. 22. Oh, so I was planning a different week. It's supposed to be this week. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know that. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. So I'm going to have to skip that week. 29. What happened last week? Why didn't I plan? Oh, Christmas in July happened. And then take my Tombow and I'm going to write down July. Still July. And then this week, I'm going very heavy-handed with my Tombow, but it's still writing so well. I really love the paper that we're using. So I'm going to write down the days of the week, and this is just going to be a little overview of what's going to happen in the week. So let me go ahead and scoot you on over before I end this video. It's so pretty. If you'd like to see how this page turns out, go ahead and follow me on my social media. My Instagram and Facebook page is paperjoyph, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, please subscribe to my channel. Next time, I'm going to be planning once again in my Hobonichi cousin, but this time it's going to be for a very different kind of spread. Let me show you. Ta-da! So this kit is from the Glam Planner. This is the Lion King kit. I think this is called Pride Rock. And I'll talk to you more about that in the next video. So I can't wait to show you guys. I'll see you then. Bye!